Good morning. Tricot Sourcing is a leading garments buying house based on Bangladesh, specializing, specializing in apparel sourcing, product development, production management, and quality assurance. We act as a trusted bridge between international buyers and Bangladesh manufacturers, ensuring smooth operation from order placement to final shipment. 100% export ready-made garments, fabric and accessory supply, selling agent, publicity agent, shipment agent, manager, broker, commission agents, intending agents, contractor, margin consultant, advisor, stockist and distributor or any person, firm or company and generally to undertake and carry out agencies and generally work upon kind, whatsoever and transact all manner of agency. Booking commission, distribution and advertising business are tricot sourcing. Tricot sourcing, which is well established as manufacturing and sourcing in apparel with business transaction internationally. Tricot sourcing is a customer-focused organization involved in manufacturing and sourcing apparel products. Each operation division has the same objective, which is superior quality and customer satisfaction. Keeping this in mind, Tricot has developed work method uh, geared to on ongoing attention to each and every step when expediting our project. Our procedure ensures to deliver a product which is within the set time frame with superior quality result. You can offer a supply of a wide range of ready-made garments in all categories, woven and denim bottom of all gender, kids and adults. We also produce circular knit for all gender, kids and adults. To establish, run and manufacturing export, import of all sort of garments of gents, ladies, girls, boys, toddlers, infants and babies of all age and their product and buy product and supply supplier supply save the same in both local and foreign market by installation of imported and local machineries from imported and local raw materials to produce various type of ready-made garments, men's shirt, trouser, baby dress, jeans pant and short, sports dress, women dress, blouse and frock, t-shirt, top of international standard and design of export oriented or any other ready-made garment. To establish industry for skin print, embossed print, art print, batik print, embroidery on all sorts of fabric, silk, nylon, rayon, and synthetic cloth, bed sheet and bed over to import raw material, spare parts, machineries of all sort of embroidery and other printing work. To import machineries of all type of spare and stores of all source as would be required for the factory. Finishing, knitting, and composite textile mill and factories for specialized and ready-made garments in Bangladesh, and undertake all other business in connection therewith to carry on the business as import, export, and dealer of all general goods, textile tin, knit and woven ready-made garments, and garment accessories to carry on the business of the thread, fabric dyeing, fabric printing, and finishing of textile products. To establish and operate neat composite mill, textile mill, sizing, dyeing or printing mill, washing plant, finishing mill, both for manufacturing of neat and woven fabric made of cotton, synthetic, woolen, rayon, and any other fabric fibers for 100% export purpose. Our commitment to quality, reliability, and ethical business pattern has made us a dependable sourcing partner for global fashion brand and retailer. Our vision to provide complete apparel sourcing solution that exceed client expectation through innovation, integrity, and excellence in every stage of the production process. We don't just source, we build solution as the definitive partner in Bangladesh. We optimize the inter-supply chain to deliver one comprehensive solution for every customer need. Our mission to be organized globally as a leading apparel buying and sourcing partner, delivering quality, sustainability, and value to our client. As Bangladesh premier sourcing collaborator, we create a seamless supply chain experience. From concept to deliver, we add value at each step to fulfill all our clients' needs within a single platform. Our core service, product sourcing and development. Tricor Sourcing has a dedicated global certificate technical design and design team working closely with the brands to study trends, assisting to give brain to new design tech pack, developing the design by sourcing the best material from the global market at competitive price, and finally ensuring 100% field accuracy for having better comfortability. Whether it's a personalized or commercial field, measurement and order management. Coordinate all stages from sampling to shipment, ensuring on-time delivery. We have an outstanding merchandising team in terms of time management, consistency, a balance of support cycle that works for suppliers across the global to ensure the best sourcing option for you. Quality control and inspection. Maintain high standard through in time, mid time, inline, midline, and final inspection. Price negotiation and costing. Secure competitive price through efficiency sourcing and production planning. Compliance monitoring work only with ethical, compliant, and socially responsible factories. Logistic and shipment support handle export documents, faith, coordination, and shipment follow-up. Try sourcing our product range is we offer a wide selection of apparel, knee, woven, and denim categories. Knitwear, t-shirt, polo shirt, tech and top, hoodies, sweaters, woven, shirt, blouse, trouser, short, skirt, and jacket. Denim, jeans, jacket, shorts, and casual bottoms. Outwear and sportswear. Kidswear, menswear, womenswear. Experience and dedicated merchandising team. A strong network of compliant factories, transparent and ethical sourcing participants, in-house quality assurance and inspection team, timely deliver the cost-effective solution, commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly production. Tricor sourcing, why choose us? Quality beyond question. We integrated quality at every step, ensuring place and execution from concept to completion. Feature focus innovation. We constantly refine our process to deliver next generation product and superior efficiency. Efficiency. Partners in our vision. We don't just take order, we collaborate to create custom solutions that drive your success. Ethical at heart. We are dedicated to sustainable manufacturing, making responsible choice for our planet and our people. Our market, we export to major marketing including Europe, USA, Canada, Australia, and Middle East. Our promise to ensure total satisfaction by combining of professional expertise, countries, communication, and are coming uh, uh, comprising quality control. Your trust is our success. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our garments buying house. We look forward to the opportunity to support your sourcing needs to deliver dependently quality assurance to at every stage. Bye.